Incoming, special delivery. Oh my, that little troublemaker's on the move. I am the alpha monkey now. My shadow's doing circles around you, champ. Keep flapping. Whoa, monkey's got a killer hook.
All the growing monkey needs.
Checking the corners. Where's the star of the show hiding? One wrong move, I pounce. Ooh, move people. Survival of the fastest.
A camera in monkey paws promises a series of hilariously unpredictable snapshots. Ooh.
Is that how a monkey operates, or is it just luck? Tiny cage.
How dare you! Wait, ooh, get them out fast.
That hit was real. Do something. I am kind of...
That's not fertilizer, that's an insult. Is this revenge or modern art?
Look, it's the limited edition human collectible. I level with my socks.
Filthy thing.
Put the intern in the
Why is this happening to me?
knee lift.
You're playing my giant Wilford ball. Bite me and seriously?
That KO with that.
Son of a right in the kisser. That's flat echoed, my fight just quit.
Someone got the right yesterday.
Why does it feel warm? Oh, gross.
Come on, show me what you've got. Reach a little hurts. Ooh.
Never underestimate primate. Bring it banana bread. Ooh.
Should be cool.
Great. I smell like a sewer smoothie.
That looks fun.
Son of a right in the kisser.
If I
Great, now I'm a walking crap noodle. Thanks.
should we call animal control or police?
Oh, gross.
Okay, next time we read the keep hands and friends outside.
Damn you weaponized. Keep those furry meats to yourself. What?
They're the
Guys, that's so far. Bring it, banana bread. Oh, come on. This might put some muscle into it.
Somebody cue the car.
Damn you weaponized bowel fury. Get them out fast. You little turd.
I'm kind of jealous of the one page.
Fun, dangerously fun. Congratulations, you weaponized lunch.
Look, it's a limited edition human collectible.
Monkey see, monkey.
I felt that impact from here.
Wait, now I sound like a sewer smoothie. Don't you dare. Somebody and keep acting tough. The vet is with
Get help, quick.
filthy onion. Your slap felt like moth landing. Try harder. You're messing with the wrong human.
Oh,
Poop attack.
I'm kind of jealous of the one.
Oh, gross.
They clearly need help.
Filthy thing.
Not your toy buddy.
Why does it feel warm? Gross. I can taste yesterday's bananas.
That's not a toy, that's a toy plot twist. They're a new exhibit called Oops.
How are you doing, little fella? Oh, that is cute and a little scary. Becoming skull crusher. Grace for that's not fertilizer, that's an insult.
Look, it's the
You little turd. Congratulations, you weaponized lunch.
I'm kind of jealous.
Even pigeons have the green. Disgusting.
They're stuck. Get them out.
You're
He's not moving.
not ate enough for this. Somebody hose me down, stop! Gross. I can taste yesterday's bananas.
Get them out fast. Wow, that monkey is handsy.
Poop attack.
Somebody get them out of there. Look.
Get help, quick.
Does it know what it's doing? Hello, little guy. Hold up. A monkey in here turns every kid I've seen into a photo op.
Bite me and I'll floss with your food. Zero entertainment, but tons of stench. Moving on. Oh, right on. Ooh. That's flat echoed. I just quit. That stench is illegal, you little menace. Get them out fast.
That skill. Take it before my kid asks for it.
Keep our God held down. Ooh.
Wow, mama.
Monkey one, my dignity's off.
Somebody get them out of there.
Oh, come on, this was my only clean shot. That's it, I'm filing a poop report.
Great time's out. These are like cartoonishly wide. Catch me if you can.
Swing again and I'll refund.
Should we call that?
I'm never coming back to the zoo again.
Enjoy the
Knew
breezy
the
session. Yeah, that thing's still wriggling. Bet you wish you had sneakers, Fuzzball. Bug snack. See better action than screensaver. Next.
I regret stopping here. Hello. Help!
Bring it, banana breath. Where's the info plaque, Furbrain? Oh, right, you ate it. Holding position.
Flavor so bad, even flies file complaints.
Why is it so empty? I've got the cage on lockdown. Cute. Steady as she goes.
Upwards posture. Moves. All right. Time to see if the koalas are actually awake today. Out of reach and body. I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars. My shadows jump. I'm getting in. Guess I caught the monkey on break. Peace out.
There goes my drink. Cheers, finally. Monkey got a camera.
That brew's going bananas. Skull Splitter Express. Next stop, Brain Pan.
A camera in monkey paws promises a series of hilariously unpredictable snapshots. Almost had it. Almost. Wait, I thought these would be made of soap.
Test pitch. Monkey target engaged.
I bet it is sad in there. Good choice.
I wonder if these hold.
Incoming Skull Crusher. Brace for impact. Did it mean to do that?
Justice, sir. Susan.
This enclosure could use a makeover. And ouch! Wait, I thought these would be made of soap.
Stupid animal.
Was that a well thought out grab or pure mischief?
Free concussion, no refund.
Lay taste buds fly into protest.
Grab the pebble. To keep that unit. Ooh.